What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we'll be talking about Santos again, or the Santos FC fan token, which was requested through the Discord. So if you also want to request updates or certain analysis on certain tokens, you can do so in Discord. I'm back from vacation and stuff, so I'm perfectly able to do a lot of analysis again. Which is great, but in this video we're taking a look at Santos, which is actually has been holding on to its levels pretty well, and you could even see that there's some sort of a bullish momentum or some sort of a bullish market structure going on. Like right here, ever since that support at $10, we actually have made some higher lows, or at least some higher low levels. We haven't really made lows, but these were just levels we touched. This was a low, obviously, but then, yeah, we were actually pretty bullish. So last analysis, what I said, just so you know that I'm not randomly deleting analysis, what I expect is that we'll drop down to $12 and then drop down to $10 and then eventually drop down to the $7.5 level. That's what I expected. That's what I expected ever since we had this move. It came close when we dropped down to $10. $10 was too much of a support level. And just for the record, and that's what I want to start with, I still think this is the most likely scenario, and therefore I don't trade Santos. I never trade tokens that have runs like these. I just simply think that Santos is going to fall. I don't necessarily think it's going to fall right now, but I think within the next 2 weeks it's going to fall, and it's going to come down hard, and it's going to come down unpredictably. Therefore, I would advise all of you to, if you're going to trade it, set strict stop losses. Don't trade anything you're not willing to lose, and just be careful with it, because this is still what I'm expecting. And maybe I'm a little bit pessimistic on that, but I've become pessimistic because I've seen things like these happen too often. Like with another fan token, Alpine, back in April, or like after April. What you can see is that we had this huge run. We actually stayed at those levels for a little bit. We even reached that local top again. But after that, within the next month, we dropped down to $1.5 from a top of $10. All right, so that made me a little bit sour maybe on those fan tokens. I have to be honest, but that's just what I'm expecting. So yeah, I did want to put something else in. And I know this might sound very paradoxical and that these two things go against each other. But as I said, I'm expecting this drop, but I'm not necessarily saying that we cannot get up any higher at this point of time. As we saw with Alpine too, we actually reached that top again. So that is possible. So I did want to put out some criteria in which I think that Santos could actually do that again. So some criteria for that if Santos actually would want to get bullish again. The main thing we're struggling with Santos right now is this level here between $15 and 15.7, 15.5. If we would really want to get a second run with Santos, I think we only need to break above 15.7. If we break above 15.7, we still have this major resistance at $17. You know what, I have to change this, because this resistance level at $17 is just too strong. If Santos would actually want to get another run of about, from where we are right now, of about 30–40%, we need to break above 17.0. If we break above 17.0, sure, we can get another run up to $20, $22. So that's the main criteria. But unless that happens, I think we'll just consolidate between $17 ultimately and $12 until we get that big crash. So that's my analysis on Santos for now. If you do have any questions about it, or if you want to discuss that, I'm always open for that. I mean, I'm not, I don't have a glass ball in which I can see everything in the future. So we can always discuss the analysis and what you think. But for now, that's my analysis. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. I wish you all a great day. Take care and bye.